Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to see how to hide API keys in JavaScript. Like most of the time when we create any web application or app, we use third-party APIs to save time and increase efficiency. But then why should we hide API keys? By embedding an API key in your app or web application, you are linking each request your app makes back to your developer's billing account. Since .apk files are fairly easy to reverse engineer, an attacker could conceivably extract your API keys, use it in their app, and you would get the bill. So that's why we should take care before pushing our code on GitHub, and we need to hide our API keys. So let's see how you can hide your API keys, and in this video we are going to see how you can hide your API keys to one of my project, which is the weather forecasting. So let's see. So here is my app.js file of my weather forecast project, and on the 19th line you can see here I have mentioned my API key. So let's see how the project works when we have mentioned our API key directly into the app.js file. So open your command prompt, move into your working folder and enter the command node app.js and open localhost 3000 port and enter any city, like I'm entering here Mumbai. So this way our project works. So it gives the weather of Mumbai. So now we will hide our API key and let's see how whether the project works as it is or it may change. So head back to our app.js file. API key. First step you need to follow is open your command prompt and install .env module. So for that enter the command npm install .env and then hit enter. Since I have already installed this module, so I will not install it again. The next step you need to follow is require the .env module into your app.js file. So for that you can see on this fourth line constant .env equals to require in double braces or double quotes .env .config and double parenthesis and then semicolon. The third step you need to do is create a .env file and in that file give any name, like I have given here my API token. You can give it as my API key or API key, whatever you want, then equals to and paste your and put your API key here. After that we need to load our API key from .env file to app.js file. For that back to line 19, that is where we have mentioned our API key, and remove this API key part and type process.env and then copy this name which we have mentioned for our API key and dot and paste it here, and don't forget to give semicolon. Save it, and the last step and the important step you need to do is create a .ignore file and insert that .ignore file, enter your .env file. So when you push your code on GitHub, this will not include .env file in which we have mentioned our API key. So the people who will see your projects will not get your API key. Okay. So let's see whether our project is working like before or not. So again type node app.js. Yes, the server is running on port 3000. So now we'll refresh this, and again we'll enter the same city to check whether it is working properly or not. Yes, so again we get the same result. That means our project, we have hide our API key, and our project is also working properly. So if you want to know about this project more, then you can go to my GitHub profile. I will mention the link of this repository in the description section, where you will find this project. Then the next is, I have also written blog on this, how to hide API keys, where you will find all these commands we have used in the video. So if you get any doubt, you can refer this. And still, if you get any doubt, you can ask me anytime in the comment box or on my LinkedIn or Twitter handle, which I have mentioned in the about section of my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye.